now we're going to show how to set up the basket weave. You've got your centre line of the room, north, south, east, west. So you'll get a cross point. That must be 90 degrees. You've then got two components that work. You've got a square with a grain on that's running diagonally. And you've got your plank that fits alongside it. To start off, you need to ensure your four tips of the square laying diagonally are touching the lines perfectly. That's now the centre of the room, so you've got even cuts around, whether it's a border or to the perimeter fix. You then want to be laying the planks on the outside. And you just follow around the design. Now when you're laying, you want to tessellate the grain direction on the squares or diamonds as you want to put them, so they're opposite. So you've got one running north to south and the next one is running east to west, but they'll continue in the same direction.